In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A52, and let me show you how to activate camera timer in this phone. So at first just open your camera app, then find and select photo mode, and here at the middle of the top screen you will notice a timer icon. So just click here and then select the period of time after which you would like to grab a picture. So I picked 10 seconds, and as you can see from now on you'll be able to notice the countdown, after which the picture will be grabbed. And this is it. Then if you would like to change it again, just mark, for example, 2 seconds, tap on the camera shutter, and that's it, it has been done. Whenever you would like to switch it off, just mark timer again and click on off. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.